Place the juice container into the main unit, in the direction indicated, ensuring that it is seated flat and aligned correctly. Insert the squeezer into the juice container, in the direction indicated. Insert the juicer filter into the juice container in the indicated direction. When placing the juicer filter, align the recessed triangle mark on the filter with the raised triangle mark on the juice container. Align the triangle mark on the food container with the triangle mark on the right side of the juicer container. Rotate the food container clockwise until the upper and lower triangle marks are aligned, indicating that the container is locked in place. Put in the pusher. Place the large and small cups separately under the juice spout and the residue spout. After plugging in, all the indicators and the on-stop button will light up once. Then only the on-stop button will blink. Take out the pusher. Open the cover. Place the ingredients into the food container. Then close the cover. You can use the pusher to help the juicing process. During the process, the residue will be discharged through the residue spout. Open the silicone outlet to allow the juice to flow out through the juice spout. Press the on-stop button to enter mode selection. Select a desired mode. After a few seconds, the machine will start operation automatically. Press on-stop button again to stop the operation. If the panel automatically shuts down after a timeout, press the on-off button again to turn it back on. After choosing a desired mode, instead of waiting the unit, you can press the on-stop button for quick confirmation. If jamming occurs during operation, press the REV button to discharge the ingredients, then choose a mode again to continue the operation. First, take out the pusher. Unscrew the food container counterclockwise and remove it upwards. Take out the juicer filter. Take out the squeezer. Lift up the juice container. No tall parts, except the main unit, are safe to rinse with water.